Hello, I'm standing next to a remarkable piece of sculpture, nature unveiling herself before science. In 1889, this piece was originally commissioned for the Bordeaux Medical School and was done in marble by the French sculptor Barrias. Now, this is a rare bronze model just under a metre high. Now, here we can see nature lifting her veil, which references the veil of Isis that was thought to conceal nature's secrets. Another thing to notice is the scarab here pinning her dress. This piece was cast a few years after the original by the Sous Frère foundry. It's remarkable, it's wonderful, it has a lovely patination, and it really is a museum quality piece. The original is in the Louvre. This could be in your hallway. It's not for everybody, it is a 5-figure sum, but certainly a fantastic piece. Wonderful, flowing movement, and all the details are on our website.